Thursday. Cypress Motorcycle Club's in town. I'm gonna try to go downtown later and get a little more view of the bikes. The bikes. A lot of people out for no umbrellas and chairs. Papaya. Stop popping that papaya. Hopefully you can't hear the music, that way we don't get copyright. I'm gonna go paddling down at K42 tomorrow, just because I've never been down there, and I'd like to check it out if Castro's gonna be down there. Papaya deck, popping at the papaya deck, Club Iggy. It'll be hopping tomorrow though. Just give it a couple minutes. There'll be a lot of people tomorrow. I was gone all day, but it was a beautiful, gorgeous day. You can tell by it now. 77 degrees. Can't remember who usually comes for Independence Day. I don't want to say because everybody's welcome. That's why. I hope everybody shows up. I hope everybody in the motorcycle comes down. Can we all just get along? We get along a couple times. Hells Angels, Mongols, Vagos. Can we all come down and have Independence Day this weekend? Next weekend. Party. Put all that stuff behind. Everybody got their own patch. Everybody got their own stuff. Just come on down and party. Let's make a big old shibby bing bing. 2023. Let's bring all motorcycle clubs together. Hells Angels, Vagos, and Mongols. Come on, guys. It ain't about fighting. That shit's over. United States is done. Done. Everybody's closing down. It's over, bro. It's over. Everybody's closing down. Restaurants are closing down. Let's just all come together and be friends and have a big party. Have a big Independence Day. All motorcycle clubs. Come on down. Come on. Let's bring it down. Let's bring it down one notch. All get along. All get together. One time. For me. Let's do it for Rosarito Beach, baby. Do it for the Rosarito Beach. Nothing else. Do it for the beach. We've got room for all of you. All of you. The police will shite the pants. They don't even know what to do. If all you guys come at once, they'll be like, "Holy sa puta ma! We can't handle it. Let's go back home. Just let them party and tear it up. Just let them go wild. Let them go hog wild. Come on, man. Let's forget about all the past. We look at the future. Let's all come together. Come together in 2023. Come on, you guys. Make an exception this one time. You don't know when they're gonna nuke us. In China, gonna nuke us or something. They're already burning up Hawaii. Let's just have a big party. Big old Independence Day party. I'm gonna get another Mexican flag on my left arm. You guys come down. Everybody come down. All motorcycle clubs. Come down, party. Forget about the past. Let's be friends. Get along. Get drunk. Get whatever you want to do. Party. You don't have to talk to nobody you don't want to. You ain't got to do nothing. You ain't got to go nowhere you ain't want to. There's enough room. There's enough clubs. Come on, guys. There's room for everyone. Be independent. Take it off and come on down. Come on, guys. Let's throw the biggest party they ever seen in their life. 2023. Hells Angels, Mongols, and Boggles. Let's show them what we got. What we all got together. We got together is a lot more than a little bit. There's Doggy in training right there. He's being a good boy, too. Primo's down here catching some waves, and as always. I wonder where that guy is with the lighters. I'd like to ask him some questions. If I can buy a box. He got fired up the other day. I said, how much for the whole box? He changed it to mad. He's like, ah! And he got mad. He wouldn't sell me one. He didn't sell me one lighter. It's alright though. I don't really care. Don't matter. Yeah, the only one is a box. I only don't want one. I don't want two. I don't want five. I want a box. Only a box. A box of lighters. Fitty. I tell you. Fitty. And you know what? I bet it's like $25. Because at $25, you got 50 cents each. And they sell them for $1. And so you make double your money. Just like normal. But he won't let me buy no box. Because he don't want me to make no money. Well, that's the thing. I don't worry about that. Because I am going to get a box. Then I am going to figure out where they are. And I am going to get them. And I am going to sell them for 20 pesos each. In my store. Just because you don't want to help me. Ingrata. Ungrateful. Ingrata. They don't want to share any kind of money-making techniques. So what I noticed is I opened a clothing store. This is 2 of them. Then 20 other clothing stores opened around me. Makes it kind of hard to sell anything. It'd be like McDonald's, and then you have 20 other McDonald's open right there. Same thing. Just we all have different names. But they know what to sell because we got clothes hanging outside. And clothes hangers and stuff. In the closets, spaces and things like that. So everybody knows what they're selling. So yeah, with 20 other stores, I don't know, it's kind of hard for me. So I'm gonna have to go to the Tankies. Sell it to Tankies and try to make money there. We're gonna start begging for money. Oh yeah, looking for 10 pesos each person every month. Is that too much? $6 a year. I wonder if you could set your own prices. I just like it's $6 a year, 50 cents per subscriber. If you guys will chip in 10 pesos, 10 pesos, 10 pesos. I'm hoping to get people to throw in 10 pesos. Can you afford 50 cents a month to help me? Help me! Help me! Even if half of my subscribers gave 50 cents, 10 pesos, that would be wonderful. We can clean the beach, give you 3 bags of trash. We give you a bag for 10 pesos, 50 cents. I give you a bag and 3 bags of trash. I clean myself. Anybody wants to bite on that one? Yeah, it's getting pretty tough down here. Places we've known that have been open for years are closing down. Restaurants, little stores. I'm lowering the prices again. 3 pieces for 100 pesos and 100 pesos for all the nice stuff. It's just, you got to make it lower price, I guess. I think I would make more money if I sell for a lower price, sell more things and sell it and make more money overall in the end. That's what I hope for anyway. Nevertheless, looking for a bag of cachava. Anybody send me a bag of cachava? Let me know in the comments. I'll send you my address. I could use a bag. I'd like to try something like that is healthy and maybe put me back on track a little bit. I got some pain in my kidneys. Probably too much tequila and Coca-Cola, I suppose. It's hard to say no to it. It's got such a good taste. Dirty rotten buggers, they make it so good. Can't even say no. It's hard to say no to Coca-Cola. A lot of people on the beach though, but like I said, we'll try to go downtown a little bit later. Primo's out, everybody's out. Looks like you might have rented a little something today, but slow. Even the Quintas del Mar says there's no people. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully it will start picking up soon. Thank you guys for all the new subscribers. Make sure you check out Primo. He's got all the boards for rent, mariscos, everything you need right here. Umbrellas, chairs, the whole thing. So make sure you can. Right here in front of the Pelicanos, where you find us. Thank you guys again for all the new subscribers. Thanks for watching the videos. We'll see you at the beach.